Good morning students. Today we'll be continuing the same chapter, that is chapter 6, accounting for bills of exchange. Okay, so in the previous class we have done the topic that is bill is honored on the maturity date, under which there are 4 subheadings that we have done 2 of that. Okay, that is retained by the drawer till the date of maturity, and a bill is discounted by the drawer from the bank before the maturity. So today we are going to do under this bill is honored these 2 topics, that is endorse the bill by the drawer to his or her creditor, and fourth is the bill sent for collection. So what is endorse the bill by the drawer? It means when the drawer endorses the bill receivable to his or her creditor is known as endorsement of a bill of exchange. Okay, and the bill is then duly paid by the drawee on the maturity date. So the accounting treatment for this process will be the same for that 2 transaction that is there in this 2 topic, retained by the drawer and bill is discounted. The first 2 accounting treatment will be the same. From the 3rd transaction it will change for the endorsement. Okay, so come to the accounting treatment of endorse the bill. So when the drawer endorses his bills of exchange to his creditor, what accounting treatment, what journal entry should be passed, that we will know here by following the transactions. Okay, suppose X is the drawer. Okay, so the X have creditor whose name is Mr. Z. Okay, so when drawer endorses the bill to his creditor, okay, so in the books of drawer, the drawer is X. Okay, and when he endorses the bill, so that creditor name is Mr. Z, we have to suppose. Okay, so we'll start from the 3rd transaction, because first 2 entries will be same as the earlier. Okay, so the new entry that will form for the transaction like bill endorsed by the drawer to his or her creditor. Okay, so what entry we have to pass? The creditor is, I have said that we have to suppose that Z, so we have to write in the drawer's account Z's account debit to BR account. Okay, and the narration will be being BR is bill receivable. Okay, endorsed to Mr. Z. Okay, so he is the creditor. Understood? And here in the drawee's book we don't have to put any entry. Because the drawer is giving to his creditor. So in the drawer's account we have to maintain the entry. Okay, not in the drawee's account. And next transaction, this is also the 3rd transaction, that will be done on maturity period. Okay, so on maturity the bill is duly paid by Mr. Y, that is the drawee. Drawer is the X and drawee is the Y. Okay, so on maturity period the bill was paid by Mr. Y. So in the books of drawer we don't have to put any entry, but we have to maintain in the books of Y. What we have to put? Bills payable account debit to bank account. Okay, like this we have to do the entries. And in the narration we will write being payment made against the bill receivable. Okay, so that's how we have to pass the journal entry when the endorsement of bill has been done by the drawer. Okay, Now there is also one more book we have to make, that is the book of Indorsy, means Z. Z is the Indorsy here. So for that Z account book also we have to maintain. For Z's book we also have to put some entry. So come to the Indorsy books account. So we have to make the Indorsy book. In the books of Indorsy, here will be the third person involved in the process, that is Z. So he will be the Indorsy. Okay. So third person was Z, that was Indorsy. So we have to prepare the books of this person, that is Z, and we have to do the entries like this. For the first transaction, that will be bill is endorsed by the drawer to his or her creditor. Same transaction. Okay. So for that, what we have to put in the books of Indorsy like this: BR account debit to X's account. Okay. And we have to write here being BR received from Mr. X. Got it, students? How we have to put the transactions, put the entries. Next, same transaction, that on maturity the bill is duly paid by Mr. Y, and for this the entry will be bank account debit to BR account. Okay. So in the books of Indorsy we have to put the same entries. Okay, like this. Now come to the bill sent from collection, that is the fourth subheading of the bill is honored. Okay. So now come to the bill sent for collection. So when the drawer sent the bills receivable to his or her bank for the collection of the bill on the maturity date, that is known as the bill sent for collection. Okay, and that bill is duly paid to the by the drawee on the maturity date. Okay, so for this we have to do the accounting treatment. So what will be the accounting treatment? The first and second entry remains the same. Okay, and the third journal entry will be changed here. Okay, so from the third transaction we have to choose like this. The transaction will be the bill sent for collection to the bank by Mr. X. Mr. X is the drawer. Okay, so in the drawer books we have to put the entry like this: bill sent for collection account debit to BR account. Okay, and the narration will be being BR endorsed to Mr. Z. Okay, and here we don't have to put any entry in the drawee's account. Next transaction that will occur will be on maturity. The bill is duly paid by Mr. Y. Obviously Y is the drawee, so he will pay. So here the entry will be like this: bank account to bills sent, debit to bills sent for collection account. Okay, like this in the drawer's account. Here the narration will be being payment collected by the bank against the bill receivable, and in the drawer's book, that is why we have to write bills payable account debit to bank account. Okay, and the narration will be being payment made against the bill receivable. Got it? So this way we have to do the entries for the particular topic, okay, for the endorsement of the bill and the bill sent for collection. Now we will do one illustration from which you can get all the 4 topics, that how bill is honored and how we have to do the journal entries, okay. So come to the question, student. So here is your question. X draws on Y a bill for rupees 4,000. X is the drawer and Y is the drawee, okay, and X draws the bill for 4,000. So which was duly accepted by Y, and Y accepted the bill, and then Y meets the bill on its due date, okay, means he paid the bill on the due date, okay. So show what entries would be passed in the books of X and Y, okay, and under which of the following circumstances, means this 4 circumstances we have to pass the journal entries. Like if X retains the bill till due date, so what will be the entry for that? If X discounts the same with his banker paying rupees 100 for discount, that will be the discounting charges. So what entry we have to put for the discount? If X endorses the same to his creditor Z, okay, so what will be the endorsement bill entry will be there. And for 4, the if X sends the bill to his banker for collection, so for that what entry we have to pass. So this is the 4 circumstances for which we have to make the X account and Y's account, okay. So come to the solution, student. So this is how we have to make the journal format in the books of X, and first we have to record that the bill has drawn by X and that Y is accepted, okay. So that for that we have to put an entry like this: BR account debit to Y account, okay, and the narration will be Y accepted the bill, okay, and the amount is 4,000, okay. Next what we have to do, the first case entry we have to do, okay. So the first case was case 1, that is bill retained till maturity, okay. So if X retained the bill till maturity, so what entry we have to pass? Cash account debit to BR account. That was the entry I have told you in the accounting treatment also, and the narration will be bill honored on maturity, okay, and the amount will be same 4,000, okay. Now come to in case 2, that is bill discounted, okay, with bank. So here simply the discounting charges is given, that is rupees 100, so we don't have to do any calculation for taking out the discount charges, okay. So simply we'll just pass the entry like this: bank account debit to discounting charges account debit to bill receivable account, okay, and the narration will be bill discounted with the bank, okay. So how we have to put the amount? Like in the bill receivable account, the bill is for 4,000, okay, and the discounting charges was rupees 100, that is mentioned in the question. So in the bank column we have to write 3,900, because if you subtract 100 from 4,000 you get 3,900, okay. Now come to the next case, that is case number 3. So the third case is bill endorsed to Z. So for this we have to write, as the endorsee was Z, so we have to write here Z account debit to BR account, okay, and the amount will be same 4,000. Okay, and the narration will be bill endorsed in favor of Z, being bill endorsed in favor of Z. Next, the case 4, that is the last case, that is bill sent to bank for collection. Okay, so what entry we have to put for this is bill sent for collection account debit to BR account. Okay, and the narration will be being bill sent to bank for collection. Okay, like that, and the amount will be same 4,000. Now the last entry that we have to make will be when the bill is duly paid on the maturity period. So we have to pass one more entry like bank account debit to bill sent for collection account. Okay, and the amount will be 4,000. So this is how we have to put the entries in the books of X. Now come to in the books of Y. Okay, so now in the books of Y, the journal entry will be like this for the acceptance of the bill. Okay, like bill accepted by Y. So what entry will we have to pass? X account debit to bills payable account. Okay, and the narration will be bill drawn by Y accepted. Okay, bill drawn by X. Okay, accepted, and the amount will be same 4,000. Okay, and the last entry that will be like this: bills payable account debit to cash account. Okay, that will be the last entry in the books of Y, and the narration will be bill honored on maturity. Okay, and the amount will be 4,000. So this is how you have to do in all that 4 circumstances. You have to pass the journal entries in the books of X and in the books of Y. Okay, I have given you one related sums for your homework. Just do it correctly and send it to my mail ID. Thank you all of you.